Hi friends, it's me Kiran and I'm here with another video tutorial that's about trick to memorizing the name of vitamins. In the early video I have mentioned the name of vitamins, their types and their deficiency that lead to a different diseases. The link is given in our description box. Okay, without wasting our time, let's come to our trick. The trick is in the form of a short story. So first of all, I'm writing the story. The story is a pretty rat is minor and wish to become taller. So he drink acid. That included calcium. And he don't because his tail is under pillow. Okay, so guys, in this short story I'm going to tell you a trick that to memorizing the name of vitamins. So first of all, I'm highlighting some words, that is rat, minor and acid. Okay, so vitamin A is, first of all I have retinol, minor, vitamin B, thiamine, from a mine, thiamine. Vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid. And vitamin D, ascorbic acid, vitamin D, calciferol. And vitamin E, that T for tocopherol. And vitamin K, that is P for phylloquinone. So guys, in this short story I have, first of all I highlight some words: rat, minor, acid, calcium, tail and the pillow. So first of all, vitamin A, the similar word rat, retinol. B, mine, thiamine. Vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, and calcium, that is calciferol, and the tail, tocopherol, vitamin E, and the P, vitamin K, that is phylloquinone. Okay, so guys, I have mentioned some story, and another story that is for the vitamin B. That is a short hit. Train, private, first class. In this a short statement, I will highlight some words. These are, from that one, T, R, N, P, F and C. So So guys, you have noticed that I have write a statement. So this is not actually a statement, this is a trick to memorizing a name of vitamin B. So this is actually for vitamin B. You have noticed that I have highlighted a few letters like a T, R, N, P, F, C. So this is actually for vitamin B. So I am writing a vitamin B1. The first highlighted word is T, B1, that is thiamine, that starts with T. The second highlighted word is R, vitamin B2, that is riboflavin, started with R. The third highlighted word is N, vitamin B3, that started with N, niacin. And vitamin B6, P for pyridoxine. Vitamin B9, F highlighted, folic acid. Vitamin B12, the last word that I have highlighted, C, cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamin is vitamin B12. So guys, many of the students that will be confuses about the vitamin B names, B1, B2. So this statement that will be really helpful for you. So in the first segment that I have shared with you a story in the form of a trick for the memorizing a vitamin water soluble as well as a fat soluble vitamins. So this trick is only for the vitamin B. So that will be really very helpful for you. So guys, if you think that this video is really helpful for you, so please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks.